Hey, how's everyone? Very quick update on what I have observed in the US stock market, and I would like to share with you before the market opens today. If you follow my YouTube videos last weekend, you will see that I mentioned that for S&P 500 1 hour and 90 minutes time frame, as well as for Nasdaq 1 hour and 90 minutes time frame, there was bottom divergence there. This was last Friday. In here you can see the MACD didn't create the new low, but I also mentioned that since the distance is not that far, so with a slight price drop, the bottom divergence will easily disappear. So with yesterday's drop, actually we can see that MACD has created a new low. So the bottom divergence for 1 hour and 90 minutes for both S&P 500 and Nasdaq has disappeared. Okay, so this is kind of bad news. However, the good news is maybe we should just take a look at what my video said on last weekend. However, somehow I wish that the price can continue to drop a little bit so that the three indexes can be synergized. If that is the case, if there is a bottom structure to be formed, and then I can foresee the rebound or reversal will be significant. Okay, so this is what I was saying last weekend. Because after last Friday, actually for Dow Jones on the daily time frame, the bottom divergence was already appearing. So we need to wait for S&P 500 and Nasdaq so that three indexes can be synergized. With yesterday's further drop, if we look at the daily time frame, with the closing price of yesterday's candle, we can see it's good. The price has created a new low. And what happened to MACD? Not new low. So we see a bottom divergence on S&P 500 daily time frame appeared. And now let's take a look at the Nasdaq 100. Same. With the closing of yesterday's candlestick, we can see on the daily time frame, price create a new lower low and not the MACD. So we can see that for Nasdaq 100 on the daily time frame, there's also a bottom divergence. Okay, and for Dow Jones, there's no change. It's still there, the bottom divergence. So we can see now that the three indexes are all synergized. So for me, this is a very good news. My plan would be to closely monitor the price movement from today and onwards. And my main focus area or time frame will be on the daily time frame. I would like to monitor whether in the coming days or even today, by the close candlestick on the daily time frame, whether the bottom structure form. So if the bottom structure will form, I will buy 100% position back. Currently I'm at 0. Why 100%? Because we're looking at a bottom structure on the daily time frame. So with any reversal or rebound triggered by the bottom structure in the daily time frame, it can be significant, and I expect that if a bottom structure forms, the rebound can break out both long-term and short-term trend. That is why I will buy back 100% of the position. Okay, and as I always emphasize, with every buying action, we have to have an exit plan or corrective measure. So what if this buying is wrong? My corrective measure will be after I buy back this 100%, if the price creates a new lower low, will prove that my purchase this time is wrong, and I will sell them and wait for the next buying point. So if we take a look from the angle of wave, we can see that here's wave 1, wave 2, and now we're in wave 3 correction. I do not know when the bottom will appear. So if we say appear here or even here, this wave 3 doesn't look, because normally the wave 3 should be of much bigger scale than wave 1, because it's the impulsive wave. So it is possible that if we see a bottom structure here, then after that the market will go up a little bit from here and then further down. This is possible. This could be wave 5 to create a new lower low, or another extended wave 3, because if the wave 3 stop here, it seems a little bit short, I would say. So it is possible for the price to create a further low. It doesn't matter. I don't think it will be much bigger price difference between coming bottom and the next bottom that we see. Anyway, we should not wait. As I always say, you should not wait until the next lower low, because what if there is no next lower low? What if here will be the starting of the rebound or reversal? I mean, really on a daily time frame, we don't see very often a bottom structure, especially for the 3 indexes to be synergized and have the bottom divergence and the possibility of bottom structure. We need to respect the market. We need to respect every single opportunity offered by the market and act. And in the meantime, we need to have a corrective measure. So if this opportunity is proven to be wrong, then we wait for the next one. And if here the market does create a new lower low, I will see that we still have a possibility to have the bottom divergence here in the future, and it will still be able to find a good buying point or another bottom structure. So there's nothing to worry about. That's all what I would like to share today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.